Cabral, wala. Rada. No, jersey number 11. Number 11, haras ni Amolo. Nice. Nice steal by Amolo. Amolo, ganda ng pasa kay Alegro. Nakuha ni jersey number 2. Amolo, in and out. Amolo for the parking lot. For to win. Intercept ni Cabral. Cabral, binigyan kay Ramos. Back to Cabral. Pero may foul. Who's for it? Foul jersey number 13. Second personal foul, first team foul rather. First throw, in and out. Take the shoot. Nice move, pero wala. Nakuha ni Amolo ngayon. Amolo, up and away. Connect for 2 points by Amolo.
Anak na na-score boy.
Tama yung score mo dyan.
Layo na.
Score natin, 50-13. Kaya pa yan, mahaba pa. Sama nyo si Pitong.
Dalawa din.
Number 11, Amolo. For the parking lot, wala. Ako na jersey number 18, bigay jersey number 11, back to 18. 17 to shoot. Cabral, binigay kay Villadiego, back to Cabral. Cabral, back to Villadiego. Using the ball. Matsaga ni Villadiego.
Sa boss number 30. Pagka ganito, dead ball tayo.
Amolo, naka jersey number 0. Umihigit pa si Amolo. Nice move by Amolo.
Dalawa lang. Ilang dosena na?
Dalawa na lang po kalakaan. 54-13. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Amolo, up and away. Connect for 2 points by Amolo. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Ramos using the board. Connect for 2 points. Number 11, connect for 2 points. 1 minute to play for the third period. Ramos, connect for 2 points. Sigsaging move, Tolentino, wala. Villadiego, binigay kay. Last 35 seconds. Villadiego ngayon, bumababa, Villadiego. In and out. Nakuha ni Cabral. Connect for 2 points by Cabral. Last 25 seconds. Numbers 11. Last 8 seconds. Amolo for the parking lot. In and out. And of the third period. Areglo naman ngayon. Areglo, binigay kay Jose number 18. Side step hold, connect for 2 points by number 18. Number 5, binigay kay Areglo. Setting the play, 15 to shoot. Corona for the parking lot. Short, Marin on the rebound, connect for 2 points. By Marin.
Puro turnover. Yes!
Number 8 for the parking lot. Wala. Wala pa rin. Marin on the rebound. Okay, jersey number 18. Connect for 2 points.
Oh! Wala!
Areglo ngayon. Pero may foul. Loose correct. Foul on jersey number 12. Substitution right. Time out. Sinsi.